everyone, it's me Ursel here from Tech Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step how to run your first ad campaign on YouTube through Google Ads. Okay, so without any further ado, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn those post notification bell so you never miss any kind of video update on from this channel. So without any wasting time, let's open up your Google Chrome or browser you are using. By the way, this is a desktop version, not mobile. Okay, so log into your google.com, the Google Apps section here, and scroll down and do this way. Scroll down until you see Google Ads. Click now. Once you have that window open, ads.google.com. So I'm going to be having this website link description. So once you have on this page, either you're going to create a new account, but once you have logged into your Gmail ID, either you're going to go sign up if you have already account. You're gonna click here sign in. Okay, I'm gonna be clicking the sign in. It takes some time. Now once you have on that interface, so all you have to do, click over here to create a new campaign and choose your object. I'm not going through all of these on next video if you want to, but I'm going with create and campaign without goal guidance. Okay, because I'm running campaign on YouTube. Click here, and now I'm gonna be jumping this straight here. I'm not going through all of these. Like I said before, I'm going through all of these in different video. Okay, so once you have this one, you can click video view, click continue, and named your campaign name whatever you like. Let's just say if you're running multiple different ad campaigns for your client, you can name it whatever you want. So now here it is. Enter your budget type and amount. So budget type, I'm going to be suggesting you campaign total. Okay, I'm going to be selecting this, not daily but total campaign total. Okay, I'm going to be setting my budget 500 rupees, which is PKR. Now my ad campaign start from 10th of February 2024 until that. Let's just give it a 2 days. Okay, 10 to 12 February. And here is the best part. You're gonna click here network section. By default it's selected YouTube, but if you're selected Google TV, you can uncheck that Google TV. Come down here, location. This is the best part. By default it pick my location because I'm in Pakistan right now. So let's just say you're gonna run campaign on another location. So select that on another location. Let's just say I'm gonna be selecting UAE or USA, United States of America. Go to advanced search, and now I'm going to be going to advanced search just to give you knowledge. So go to advanced search. Now what is advanced search? First of all, advanced search is, let's just say if you have a physical store, if you have physical store, like select the target location. If you're gonna go to radius, and you're gonna put the address of your shop and then radius here, and then this way you can select the radius for your liking. So languages, let's just say my video is only one language, which is English, but yours multiple different language like Arabic and Urdu. Like for instance, Arabic and Urdu. If you live in South America, if you live in North America, you can choose whatever your language you choose. Okay, speaking on that video. So once you have select that English, down here I'm not going to touch related video, so I'm gonna touch related video on another video. But for now I'm gonna jump instead back to additional settings. Now what is additional settings? Additional settings, what device? For example, my ad chose only for a TV device or a mobile device or computer device. I can do that also. Set specific. So let's just say my viewer can only see the tablet, yes, mobile and computer, and you can add a frequency. See, I'm not going through all of this for this one video. Add group name, and add group name, you're gonna, like I said before in earlier, if you're running multiple ads campaign for your clients, you can do that. Now second, the demographics, age and gender. I'm gonna click here. Let's just say my product is only for men or women. I just choose men and women, and then my product is only for the age of 25 to 35, or I can choose that. For instance, parental status, my product is only for parents or only for, you can do whatever you want. Now here's the best part, household income. So Google will tell me that household income, the product I'm selling, the ad I'm showing, the, let's just say my product is 20 to $25 of each. I'm going this one lower than 20. I'm going to be selecting top three. Okay, so once the demographics is set, and here is another interesting part in keywords. Add keywords. Either you're gonna pick the competitor's video and paste it here. Let's just say I'm gonna be um, showing you how to do it. Let's just say I'm gonna be picking this video up.
Start today with GoDaddy.
For example, now
If you can-
this is for example. Okay, I'm gonna be just teaching you an example how to do it, when to do it. So let's just say I'm gonna be let's see this competitor have this product. As you can see, this competitor have used that many hashtags, that strategy they use, and I'm going to be add all details, all ideas here. Now here's my competitor ideas, all topics. Now topics, add topics, topic that my video has, which product I'm selling or what type of product I'm selling, beauty, fashions, and something, so something product reviews, and something technology, and something. So I'm not going to all of that, but you can get my point. Okay, now the second part, the video URL that you can uh, paste it down, that you can show the in-stream ads. So I'm going to also do that by, I'm just showing you that how to run ad campaign on Google 2024 on YouTube through Google AdSense. Okay, 2024. Let's just say I'm going to be picking this video up. I'm going to be showing this video in-stream ad. Okay, now copy that URL, and I'm going to this one. I'm going to paste this URL. Now this one is right. I'm going to be paste another URL, but I'm not going to do that because my video is showing everything. Let's just say if you're selling services, if you have a website and then you throw traffic at your website or something like that, okay, you can copy your website's URL and paste it right here. So the tagline, call to action. Now, call to action, what it does, call to action means if you selling product or if you selling your course, like anything, you can check the call to action. Okay, selling immediate product or something like that. Then all you can do is call to action, start now, buy now, watch now, and let's just say if you're selling product and you select buy now. Okay, So by now, headlines, you can type in your website headlines or whatever your product selling. Please, okay, something like that. Something's totally on onto this one, and then you're described about your product, and then now the CPV rate, click per view bit. Let's just say I'm going to be testing out 2 days max of this campaign. Okay, I'm going to be selecting. It depend on your whole budget, total budget. You can choose whatever you want. It depend on total budget. Okay, so let's just say I'm going to be setting this campaign with 5 rupees only. So okay, 5 rupees. Uh, Click per view, 5 rupees. Okay, the person uh, that has to be clicking on your website that you are offering, that going through your website checking out the product, then you have to pay 5 rupee, and then you, once you have satisfied that, and then you be going through create my campaign, and that's all you guys do. Now if you want to see more in-depth video on Google AdSense, how to promote your website through Google Ads, or how to run multiple different ad campaigns for your clients or for your businesses, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching this, guys. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. My name is Russell from Tech Guides YouTube channel.